The Congo African Gray, also known as the African Gray Parrot. Known for his intelligence and his amazing ability to mimic the human voice. Hi guys, Juliet here at Royal Parrots, and thank you for joining me again as I introduce you to two of our sweet baby Congo African Greys. Fun fact of the day, there are records of people keeping the African Gray as a pet dating way back to biblical times, and they can bond to a human strongly. Pet African Greys do need attention. They need attention from their owner. And it is very important that they are socialized as babies so that when you pet them or when you touch them, they don't flinch, they don't jump away, and they're not scared of you. They should enjoy getting on your hand and socializing with you. African Greys also need lots of toys in their cage so that they can forage and play and keep themselves stimulated. If the African Grey feels bored or neglected for a longer period of time, they may begin negative behaviors such as plucking or mutilating their skin. What I'm showing you here is a foraging toy, and it is colored with different color boxes. And I am going to put food in one of the boxes so that the bird can start going through each foraging box and start seeing the surprises that are in them. And then eventually the baby will have to dig through the box to get his treats. This type of toy keeps the baby engaged and having fun and stimulated so that he does not get bored. The most famous African Gray parrot was Alex the African Gray, owned by scientist Irene Pepperberg. She initially found Alex at a pet store when he was 1 year old. Irene worked with Alex as an experiment and as her pet in a span of 30 years, and eventually he was able to get the concept of size and have actual communication with Miss Irene Pepperberg herself. Unfortunately, Alex died at the young age of 31 years, and his last words to Irene were, "You be good. I love you. See you tomorrow." You can look up the story of Alex and Irene Pepperberg on the internet and on YouTube. You can also find us on YouTube under Royal Parrots. Thank you for all of your support. Thank you for watching us, and thank you for all of your nice comments and emails. If you have any questions, you can call or text at the number below or email us at royalparrots@aol.com. Again, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. And as always, guys, keep it birdie.